Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you ask about: how to increase your height naturally. Did you know that your diet plays a significant role in your growth? In this video, we'll explore 7 foods that can help you maximize your height potential. So, let's get started. First up, we have eggs. Loaded with protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D, eggs are a powerhouse for growth. The protein helps in the development of muscle mass, while vitamin D aids in bone health. Next is milk. This classic beverage is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for developing strong bones. Consuming milk regularly during your growth years can directly influence your height. Our third food is chicken. Packed with lean protein, chicken promotes muscle growth and overall body development. It also contains vital amino acids that help your body grow. Don't forget about spinach. This leafy green is rich in iron and calcium, both vital for bone health. Plus, it has a high amount of vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall growth. Coming in at number 5 is yogurt. Besides being a delicious snack, yogurt is an excellent source of calcium and protein. The probiotics in yogurt also support digestive health, allowing for better absorption of nutrients. At number 6, we have fish, especially fatty types like salmon. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. These nutrients are key to bone health and growth. Last but not least, consider adding nuts to your diet. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and important vitamins and minerals that support growth. They're also a fantastic snack option. So, there you have it, 7 foods to help you increase your height naturally. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular exercise is crucial for growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, eat well and grow healthy.